So this question says, if Sandy can mow the lawn in 1.5 hours and Chase can mow the same yard in 45 minutes, how many minutes will it take them to do the job together? So a few things we notice here. First off, Sandy is mowing the yard in 90 minutes, which is twice the time it's taking Chase to mow the yard. So Sandy's actually working at half of the rate that Chase is. And so what we want to do is we want to put this in terms of, well, how much of the yard can they each mow, let's say just in an arbitrary time. In an hour would be easy. So Sandy can mow, it says 1 yard in 3 halves of an hour, right? 1.5 hours. So in 3 halves of an hour. So that means in 1 hour, Sandy can mow 2/3 of the yard, right? Because to turn the right side into 1 hour, we're multiplying this by 2/3. And so we just have to do the same thing to the other side to find that Sandy can mow 2/3 of that yard in 1 hour. Now, what about Chase? Chase can mow 1 yard in 45 minutes. So that's 3/4 of an hour. And honestly, just by looking at this, we know that Chase, like I said before, works at twice the rate as Sandy. So we could literally just have said that Chase can do 4/3 of the yard in 1 hour. But if you don't pick that up, you could always just do this and then find that if we want to find how much Chase does in 1 hour, we're multiplying this right side by 4/3 to cancel out that fraction. So we just do the same thing to the left side to get that Chase mows 4/3 of a yard in 1 hour. So what does this mean? Well, now we have what both of them can do in a set amount of time. And the reason this is so helpful is because we can say, well, in 1 hour, working together, they can complete 2/3 plus 4/3 of a yard. So they can complete 6/3 of a yard in 1 hour, which is actually just 2 yards in 1 hour. So the question is asking how many minutes will it take them to do the job together to mow 1 yard. So if they can do 2 yards in 1 hour, they can just do 1 yard in half of that, which is 30 minutes. So working together, it will take them 30 minutes to mow 1 yard.